Hi everyone, you're welcome to Talks with Benga. So today I'm going to be telling you about Google Slide. Google Slide is one of the Google Workspace tools that you can use, and it's available online, whether on mobile or on your PC on the web. So but I'm going to be using my PC as to present now. That means I'm going to be using the web. So the first thing is that you either go to Google Play Store, or you go to your Apple Play Store, your Apple Store, or you go to your browser on your PC and you type slides.google.com. So if you do that, you will see this page. Then if you are new, but you must be logged into your Gmail account, or else you'll be required to log in. So the next thing will now be that after doing that, you now have to, if you've opened some document before, you are going to see like this side. But if you not open document using Google Slide before, you are only going to see this side. Start a new presentation. So they are going to be asking you, are you starting on a blank page or on a blank sheet, or you want to use already developed templates? So depending on what you want to use, but for now I'm going to be starting using the blank slide. So you just click on the blank slide. I think for you to be able to work very well, you have to use a system. And as you can see now, Google Slide is just the same thing as your Microsoft Office PowerPoint. And what you can do with PowerPoint, you can also do it with Google Slide. Google Slide is just that it's online and it's combined with anything you are saving here. You're going to be saving on your Google Drive. So that means that you don't have to worry maybe about something getting lost or not. So the first thing is that the pages of a presentation is called slide. So when I'm saying slide, I mean each pages of the presentation. So the first thing is that you can see this is the menu bar. As you can see, these are the menu bar. These are the menus in the menu bar. And as you can see the file, the fill, the insert, the format, the slide, the tools, the extension, and the likes. And you can see the quick access bar, the undo, redo, print, zoom, and the likes, and the add image, background, all those things like that. So the first thing is that immediately you click on that blank slide, you're going to see blank presentation. You're going to see something like this. That means that by default they believe that you are starting something afresh. That means that you have to start with the title slide. The title slide, that means that you have to have a title about your presentation, or describing your name depending on what you want to use it for. So the first thing you need to do is just add a title. Maybe I just want to use one thing, welcome. Let me just use welcome. So you have to add your title, anything. So here in under file, let me just show you. Under file, you can add new slide or new presentation. You can open the presentation. You can import already made slide, and you can make a copy of this presentation, and you can even share with people. People can edit it, and you can send it to others, and you can download it. If you download it, you can download it as PDF, as PowerPoint, as even images, as PNG, even as plain text. And you can rename, you can delete, that is move to trash, and you can view the history, you can change the language, you can print, and you can even edit the page setup. So under edit, normally this is what you can do. You can undo, you can redo, you can cut, you can copy, you can paste, you can do others, you can duplicate and delete. Under view, you can do the slideshow. View is just that maybe you want to allow you can see. So just make sure you browse through. I don't want the video to be too long. Make sure you browse through. Under insert, that means that if you want to add anything, that's what you use insert. Maybe line, maybe images, maybe text, maybe diagram, maybe chart, maybe table, maybe shape, maybe audio, maybe video, maybe link. You use insert. If you want to format it, maybe if you want to format your table, your text, your image, that's what you call to format. So, and if you want to talk about each of the slide, you come to slide. Maybe you want to add animation, you want to add transitions, you want to add new slide, you want to duplicate the slide, you want to change the theme, that's how you come to slide. But for arrange is just for you arranging the slide. Maybe the one that is should be the arrange. For arrange, we talk about arranging the content on a slide. That means that each slide, how you want the content to be, maybe we want to be above each other or below each other, like that. Why choose? You check spelling and others, so you can check. So that's just about it. And I want to show you this how you create it now. So if you want to add anything, you go to insert. Let's assume I want to add let's say I want to add a shape. What I will just do is I'll go to insert. But normally you are not supposed to add shapes to the front page, to the front slide, to the title slide, or anything you want to call it. That means that you have to go to a new slide. If you want to create a new slide, that means that you have to go to slide and you go to a new slide. So you use a new slide. So this new slide, you can change the format of the slide depending on how you want it to be. So if I want to change the format, well, for now I'm not going to change the format. But if I want to change, I'm going to show you in the next how to change the format. Let me say I want to insert something. I'll just put I'll just click. Let me say I want to insert this, maybe an image. Let's say an image. So it asks me where do I want to insert. Is it from my desktop, from my PC, for online? So let me say I want to insert it from my system. Let me just pick an image from my system. So let me say this image. So it will start it like that. So you can now edit it. You can now resize it to your own taste, like that. Yeah, like that. So anytime you are seeing this cursor changing like this, that means that it's about to move. But if it's changing like this, that means that you can enlarge or something like that. So the other thing I want to show you about is that you can duplicate slide. If you want to just duplicate, and you can, if this place is, you can add comments. You can even the layout of the slide. If you want to use a particular layout for the slide, that's how you come to layout, and you can see now. So we have different layout you can use depending on the one you want to use. So depending on if you want to use tools, you can anyone. So I'm just making this one a crash course on slides, Google Slides. So I'm going to do a detailed video on it. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want me to do a more detailed video on it, I'm going to do it. So just make sure you drop it in the comment section. I want to do it. So the thing is that these are the quick access bar, like that. What is under these menus what some of them are, what is out here. So it depends on what you want to use. So transition, just want to explain transition. Transition is how you move from one slide to the other. If I want to move from the first slide to the second slide or to the third slide, how will I do that? Is transition. So transition, I'll just click on transition, and I will click on, I will just select a transition like that. I'll just select one, let's say bishop or feed. So if I want it to be fast, I can just click on maybe fast. But if I want to be slow, maybe depending on the, let's say 2 seconds or 2.7 seconds. So if I want to, I can apply the transition to all the slides. But if I just want it to just be this current slide, but let me just say this current slide. So I'll just click here. I will just click go on. I will just click. Let me just see it, how it look like. As you can see now, it will fade. As you can see. So that's how to do that. So you can play with it. You can just play with it. If you play with it, you know what you need, like that. So you can apply as many transitions as possible. You can apply to each slide. And the other thing will not be slideshow. If you want to check your presentation, just click on that slideshow and it will load up, and you can see now you can do everything online. You can start from the beginning. This is welcome. and you can see. So that's how to do it, that's how to work. And finally, I want to tell you about how you can save your documents. How you can save normally it's automatically saved, but if you want to save it, you can just go to normally it's automatically saved. Just click here, saved. As you can see, it will be saved. But if it's not saved yet, my this is logging, so you don't need to do any other thing. So that's just about it. The last one will not be, if you want to edit your document again, you just need to go to your Google Drive, drive.google.com, and if you go to drive.google.com, you will see your see now untitled presentation. So that is there now, is there. So it's not titled there, so you have to, if you want to rename it so that you can check it back, just go to file, under file you go to rename, and you now see my slide, and you press enter, it will be saved. So if you go back to your Google Drive and you refresh, you now see my slide there. It will change to my slide. So thanks for watching. As you can see, it's my slide now. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.